Hello everyone, I'm excited to introduce to you our 165 kVA super silent diesel genset to you. Let's see what makes this genset stand out.
First off, it operates at an incredible low noise level of just 72 dB at 1 meter. That's perfect for events or in residential areas where noise is a concern.
But that's not all. This generator is also designed to be waterproof, making it ideal for rainy weather. You won't have to worry about power interruptions in a rainy day. Its robust design and reliable Voltgent engine and Larisoma alternator ensures that you get consistent power when you need it most. So whether you are powering an event, a construction site, or just need reliable backup solution, the 165 kVA Voltgent engine ultra silent genset is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching, and remember, get the power you need confidently and quietly. Voltgent is always your trusted power partner. See you next time!